Hello, good morning! Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman tayo about a cooking tutorial video. So ito hindi masyado to big deal sa inyo pero isi-share ko sa inyo ang tip kung paano gumawa ng magandang poached egg. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, ako po ay humihingi ng subscribe, like, and share doon sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko. Kung mga gusto nyo ang mga video na mga kagaya nito. Let's go! Samahan nyo ako. Of course, pakulo muna tayo pala ng tubig. So, the water is boiled already. So, I turn it off first and then wait until the water is stop boiling. Put a little bit of salt, but not necessary. When the water is stop boiling, just put the egg in here. Okay. Now it's stopped already. This is the right time. Then, turn it on. Ang iniiwasan natin dito yung magkalat yung itlog. Yung kumalat sa tubig na hindi siya bilog, hindi siya buo. Na-avoid natin yan. Yan. This is my way how to make a poached egg. So, ang iba kasi basta ilaglag na lang sa kumukulong tubig yung poached egg. Yan. Yan. Okay, I think our egg is ready. Look at that. This is the right way how to make a poached egg. Look at that. It's perfect. Okay? Another one. Perfect poached egg. Look at that. So, yun lang muna sa ngayon mga guys. Simpleng cooking tutorial video about how to make a poached egg. So, bye-bye for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye-bye.